So I just bought ND filter for example, and I'm gonna test right now. So I bought in Singapore. Probably my father-in-law bought it for me, but I will return the money in dong in Vietnam. There we go. It's DJI, not other brands. That's why the price is a little bit pricey. But so the box have 3 filters. So first start from 8, 16, 32. And let's try from 8. So how it click? Is it click like that? Easy. There we go. Although I put the case here, it still fit perfectly fine. So we'll compare between without filter and filter. What the footage look like. As you can see here, I put the ND filter, which I film at 60 frames per second. And then if I took the filter out, you can see that brighter. It depends. The benefit of filter is kind of to make it the sky look nice and provide more texture, I would say. And the size of the ND filter that when to use it, like number 8, number 16 and number 32, it's quite confused for the new user, I would say, because like myself in the first start, I don't know which one to use first. But based on my experience, this is my real experience, tried different setting in my DJI. I found for the ND8 is suited for when it's like in the morning or sunset. For number 16 is kind of middle range, kind of not too strong sun. In practical terms, it reduces light by 4 stops, allowing a longer exposure times that capture motion smoothly without causing overexposure. When it comes to the ND32 filter, it shines in very bright settings like snow-covered landscapes or beach scenes. If your footage appears excessively bright due to the lack of an ND filter, the ND32 can be a game changer. It blocks 5 stops of light, enabling extended exposure for achieving cinematic motion blur and preventing overexposure, especially when aiming for a film-like effect in high brightness. It's important to note that ND filters can sometimes add a color cast to your photos and videos, but these can be corrected during post-processing, ensuring accurate color reproduction. In conclusion, if you rely on a DJI 4 camera as your primary camera, investing in ND filter can significantly enhance your footage quality by selecting the right filter strength based on lighting conditions, addressing any color cast in post-production, and maintaining magnetic lock system. You can unleash the full potentials of your device and capture truly stunning visuals like never before.